this thing on Thingiverse. It's supposed to be a mouthpiece for a organ pipe or a recorder, made to fit a 33mm PVC pipe there, but I found the outer diameter is 50mm, so it fits into a 50mm PVC pipe coupler. If I blow on it really hard, you can get a sound, or an octave lower like this. What I've noticed is that if you lower the pitch by closing the pipe or extending the pipe, you actually have to blow softer to get the fundamental frequency. Still trying to figure out why. Maybe I can remake this in Inventor and improve the voicing somehow, but I'm not really sure how. If I put it in a small pipe, it becomes a bit lower. Already I have to blow much softer to get anything out. When I connect this, it starts to speak in the overtone, and then as I regulate my breath, I get the fundamental. Actually, I hear two overtones. Yeah. I don't know if that one counts. Maybe it'll look cooler this way. Now I just have to figure out how to make it speak louder, and then I can add more pipes.